Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to configure your SSH server to start automatically whenever you boot up your system. Now, the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to ensure that the SSH software is installed on your computer. So we will do this by using the terminal. Go ahead and press Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard to open the terminal. Once the window pops up, simply copy and paste the command that you can find in the description box below. Paste the first command, sudo apt update, and sudo apt install OpenSSH-server-y. Then hit enter. Then enter your password. Now wait for a few seconds. So now, once everything is done and we have the software, we need to tell the system to wake it up every time you turn on the computer. We do this with a command called enable. Simply copy the command in the description and paste it right over here. So again, it'll be two commands. Paste the first command, sudo systemctl enable SSH. Then hit enter. Then copy the second command and paste it right over here. Paste sudo systemctl status SSH. So now after pasting the second command, you should see some green text or label saying active, enabled, or something like that. And that means the service is now live. So now finally, we need to make sure the firewall doesn't block you out. And for that, we will add a rule to allow SSH connections through. So again, what we'll do is copy and paste the commands given to you in the description box below. Sudo ufw allow SSH. Then hit enter. You have to provide your password, so enter that now. This will ensure your connection is permitted while keeping the rest of your system secure. And you are now fully set up for remote access anytime you reboot. That's it. Your SSH server is now set to start automatically on boot. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.